Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create mirror reflection image effect on Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template, right? And now we are going to elements in the left side, and here we are going to search for a car. Okay, so lots of cars are there, right? We can go to the graphics or image as per your requirements, right? Let me select the best car, right? A good car is this one. Okay, now let us increase the size of this car a little bit, and now we are going to duplicate this. So we have successfully duplicated. Now we are going to flip this vertically. Okay, it's done. And now let me arrange this, and we are going to change the transparency. Okay, it's done. We can add the background as well. Background, reflecting background or photos, right? We are going to send this image back. So this is how you can simply create a mirror reflection effect on your image in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.